use the shell method to write and evaluate a definite integral when we take this region and revolve it about the y-axis. So something to keep in mind with shell method is that we are putting these paper thin shells. I like to think of it as taking a paper thin a piece of paper and rolling it up, right? And that's what we're putting in our region. Now, to do that, we need a radius and a height. So our radius comes from the axis we're rotating about into the region. That's our x. It's our radius. And then we will take our height by doing our curve minus our top curve minus our bottom curve. So for shell method, we're going from 2 to pi. We do have intersection points here. This is 0, 1, and this is 1, 0. So we're doing this in terms of x, so we're going from 0 to 1. My radius would be x, and my height would be my curve minus 0. So let us go to the Desmos graphing calculator because I want to let it do the heavy lifting with my integrals. Let me share that with you so you can see. I've already graphed our curve. Now, if you saw my previous video, you know I like to leave the pi's out so that Desmos will give me a fraction answer or an answer that I can turn into a fraction. So I'm just going to do 2 times the INT for integral, put our bound 0 to 1, and then we have x times f of x, which is the curve I have stored there. And don't forget your dx. You can see Desmos has given me an answer, which I can tell it I want it as a fraction by clicking this button here. And then, of course, we need to make sure we put our pi on our answer. So it's 1/2 pi as our answer here.